Welcome back for an oily tip. We're going to be vacuuming, and most people today have a HEPA filter in their vacuum. I'm going to place some Citrus Fresh onto my HEPA filter, about 2 to 5 drops for the aromatic experience of the oil. It's orange, tangerine, mandarin, grapefruit, lemon, and spearmint. It's very uplifting and helps you get in the mood for cleaning. Another oil that I really enjoy using for my vacuum is Magnify Your Purpose. It is also very uplifting and helps you just channel your energy into being productive. It is a blend of sandalwood, rosewood, sage, nutmeg, patchouli, cinnamon bark, and ginger. Enjoy your oily tip!